YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy JJ Vlog TV, man. I'm checking in with y'all real quick, man. Clap it up. We at 26 months, man. That's 2 years and 2 months in the game, man. And I'm still going strong. Still going strong, man. Let's get right into it real quick. So, just got my hair cut probably about 4 hours ago. Currently right now, I just came back from the gym, just got out of the shower and said today I need to go on and make this video. I need to make this update because I have a tendency to, because my update is on the 15th, right? But I have a tendency to like push it off because I'm doing other things and for to be like the 25th or the 26th, and in reality, I could just wait. But no, I try to give it to y'all every single month, man. At least, I don't know how long I'm going to do the dread updates. I'm giving myself 36 months, honestly, and then we'll see after that, right? Because 36 months, man, 3 years, I'm pretty sure we'll be all right. Boy, chill out. He over here watching Never Ending Story for the old heads out there. I got my youngest son watching Never Ending Story. Comment below if you've seen Never Ending Story. That's a classic. Pure classic. What's up, dude? Oh, so this is what you want to do? You want to do this? Look what he just handed me. He handed me a roll of tape that got like, maybe like 2 of these on it left, and then it's going to be in the trash. Let me finish the video, buddy. He probably don't understand. He ain't about to be number 2. Yeah, go finish the Never Ending Story, buddy. Tell me how it go. He walking off. Anyway, so let's get into these views, man. My bad, y'all. So here go the right side. Let me show me the camera right. Watch out, buddy. Watch out now. I'm coming. I promise I'm coming. I'm gonna come and sit over there with you, buddy, and watch. Right side. Here go the back. Trying to make sure I'm in the camera right. Here go to the left side. Make sure I'm in the camera right. Make sure I'm in the camera right. And I'm just going to give you kind of like a top view or something like that. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to take it out too. And give y'all the views again. So that's with it up. And then here we go with it down right here. Alright, 26 months, man. This is what I have. I'm trying to get it all to the front so y'all can see some of that length or whatever the case. You know. So 26 months. This is where it's at, man. Like I said, now this is with the hair down, front view, so y'all can see it. I'm gonna throw these to the back, man. Front view, so y'all can see it. They go to the right side again. Hopefully they all laying out right. I didn't spritz them or nothing like that with a little water. You know, I didn't do none of that. I just pulled them out the band. Go to the back. Left side. Then back to the front. Alright, so let me throw this. Anyway, guys, it's been your boy Jay. Just Vlog TV, man. Checking in with y'all, man. I just wanted y'all to see the hair real quick. Let y'all know I'm still in the game, man. We're at 26 months, man. 2 years, 2 months, man. Still going strong, man. On our way to 36 months. That's what we're trying to get to. If I can get to 36 months, man, then we can go from there and see what we want to do with the whole dread, you know, channel and so forth and so on. But in the meantime, just know I'm going to continue to give y'all these updates on a monthly basis, at least until I hit 36 months. 36 months, you know, by that time, I'm pretty sure y'all will be tired of watching my updates because you're watching somebody else's updates who 6, 7 months in the game, 5 months in the game, because at that point, it's more interesting than at 36 months and stuff like that, because all it really turns into is just styles and length. You know what I mean? That's really what it turned into, styles and length. So, in the meantime, man, y'all stay locked. I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace out, y'all.